Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. We're going to delve into 22 habits that can pave the way to financial success in 2024. If you're ready to supercharge your wealth building journey, stay tuned. Habit 1. Set clear financial goals. First up, set clear and realistic financial goals. Knowing what you want to achieve gives you a roadmap for success. Whether it's saving for a home, starting a business, or investing, having a goal will keep you focused and motivated. Habit 2. Create a budget. Next, create a budget. Track your income, expenses, and savings to ensure you're living within your means. This habit helps you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds towards your financial goals. Habit 3. Invest wisely. Now, let's talk about investing wisely. Consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Stay informed about market trends and consult with financial experts to make informed investment decisions. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. Whether it's about finance, entrepreneurship, or new technologies, continuous learning keeps you ahead of the curve. Attend workshops, read books, and follow industry leaders to stay informed. Habit 5. Live below your means. Living below your means is crucial. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving. This habit not only helps you accumulate wealth, but also provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Habit 6. Network and build relationships. Networking is key. Build strong professional relationships within your industry. Opportunities often arise through connections, and having a solid network can open doors to career advancements and financial opportunities. Habit 7. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or creating an online business, diversifying your income streams can accelerate your journey to financial success. Habit 8. Emergency fund. Always have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion ensures you can handle unexpected expenses without derailing your long-term financial plans. Habit 9. Negotiation skills. Develop your negotiation skills. Whether it's salary negotiations or business deals, being able to negotiate effectively can significantly impact your financial outcomes. Habit 10. Stay healthy. Your health is your wealth. Regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle not only reduce medical expenses but also improve your overall well-being, leading to increased productivity and focus. Habit 11. Continuous improvement. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continuously seek ways to improve yourself personally and professionally. Habit 12. Automate savings. Make saving automatic. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure you consistently contribute to your financial goals without relying solely on willpower. Habit 13. Time management. Master time management. Efficiently allocate your time to maximize productivity. This habit ensures you make the most of each day, moving you closer to your financial objectives. Habit 14. Stay informed about taxes. Stay informed about tax laws. Understanding the tax implications of your financial decisions can help you optimize your tax strategy and keep more money in your pocket. Habit 15. Philanthropy. Incorporate philanthropy into your lifestyle. Giving back not only makes a positive impact on the community, but can also provide tax benefits and a sense of fulfillment. Habit 16. Adaptability. Be adaptable. The world is constantly evolving, and being able to adapt to new technologies, trends, and market changes is crucial for financial success in 2024. Habit 17. Mindful spending. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, consider its impact on your financial goals. This habit helps you make intentional choices that align with your long-term objectives. Habit 18. Continuous evaluation. Regularly evaluate your financial goals and adjust as needed. Circumstances change, and staying flexible ensures your goals remain achievable and realistic. Habit 19. Develop multiple income streams. Diversify your income. Explore opportunities for multiple income streams, whether through investments, side hustles, or passive income. This strategy adds layers of financial security. Habit 20. Build a strong credit score. Maintain a strong credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, including lower interest rates on loans and access to premium financial products. Habit 21. Delegate when necessary. Know when to delegate. Whether in business or personal finance, delegating tasks to experts can free up your time and ensure that decisions are made with precision. Habit 22. Gratitude. Lastly, practice gratitude. Appreciate the progress you've made on your financial journey and maintain a positive mindset. Gratitude fosters a healthy relationship with money and attracts more abundance into your life. There you have it, 22 habits that can set you on the path to financial success in 2024. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and these habits, when consistently practiced, can make a significant difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, stay financially empowered.